Hi guys and welcome to Thrustzone.com. This is Mohit Soni. What you're looking at is Ultraviolet's Enduro dirt bike that has been launched. It is being called as the two-stroke return of the bike because it is one of the lightest bikes in this category. At 120 kgs, it has a top speed of 120 kilometers an hour, and at the same time, it has 505 newton meters of torque on that rear wheel. So the numbers are going to be very high for this motorcycle. It is something that has a 120 kilometer an hour top speed. It's got dual disc brakes, as you can see, and it right now what we can see is telescopic forks here, and there are the entire set of details are not out yet, but what we can see is what we can tell you right now. And what we can show you as well, like it's got an handlebar that is inspired from the dirt bikes, and you've got the twin disc brake setup at the front. That is the instrument cluster right there, and this is available in two-seater optional extra as well. So this is something that is quite exciting. It is very light. It's got 500 newton meters of torque, which is very good. You can see the twin LED setup, very Dakar style styling at the front, and something that we are seeing with most adventure dirt bikes that are coming in, because after all, this is where it's a whole idea comes from. You've got a very nice brace here for the fork, which makes sure that this is quite stiff. This is still a telescopic fork. Of course, the pricing is quite impressive. For the first 1,000 users, you will get a price tag of just 1,45,000 rupees, and after that it's going to be 1,75,000 rupees. So I think that's a pretty good price for a motorcycle that is going to offer good performance, good capabilities off-road, and that's what I can tell you right now. That's what we can see right now. We have very limited information and very limited access to the bike as well, but this gives you a very good idea of what this is going to be. This is going to be a lot of fun, and the enduro and the adventure market is booming very rapidly. So this is going to come next year. It is not coming anytime soon. It's going to come exactly 1 year later, and bookings are open as of now today. So let's see how this product fares out to be. This looks very exciting, and it is a new concept. It is being pegged as the return of the two strokes, because with 500 newton meters on the rear wheel, and this is going to be something that is going to be very good to ride. I think that's what I can tell you right now. We see very familiar Rise tires on it as well. The suspension doesn't seem to be adjustable for now, and it's got the foot pegs that are very adventure bike or dirt bike friendly. The seats don't seem comfortable. We'll see how it rides when we sit on it, and we can do the best out of it. What this is basically is a two-stroke with an electric powertrain. So what happens is that this becomes a road legal bike, because that's what Ultraviolet is claiming, that it has the fun of the two-stroke, but it's an EV, so it's road legal. You can do whatever you want with it. So this is something that is again going to create a very big and a niche segment. Let's see how it goes ahead with the right pricing and the right hardware. Looking forward to riding this bike and letting you know more about it. Until then, thank you so much for watching.